23 years ago, we moved to Scotland. My mum and dad and myself had 70 acres and 30 dairy cows in Ireland. We moved to Scotland, bought 250 acres and 130 cows. We're now farming 1,000 acres and we've got 1,600 head of cattle in total. My name is Mark Stewart. We live in southwest Scotland and we're milking 600 cows. We've got a 40 unit rapid exit swing over. We installed the parlour 2.5 years ago. Milking in such a long parlour, the parlour we had was half the length, but we had twice the number of sides to milk. So essentially you're not walking any more than we were before. Fill time for the parlour for the 40 cows is 2 minutes on average. The benefits of a fast exit is the speed that the cows exit. We can't speed up how the cows enter, but we can speed up how they exit by letting them out the front. It'll be 30 seconds for cow emptying. This parlour has diversion line, ACRs, cluster cleanse, commanders, feed to yield, auto washer, and we've also got auto drafting and an auto scraping backing gate. My favourite feature is the drafting crate because we milk 3 times a day, we draft cows 3 or 4 times a week, every week. And Dairymaster drafting gate never misses a cow. Before in the old parlour we had to write the numbers on our hand and stand in front of the cow as she walked out, and it wasn't a very successful way of drafting. In the old parlour, to milk 600 cows would have taken us 7 hours, as we're now, we've more than half that to 3 hours. The scraping backing gate is a massive time saver. You just hit the button to scrape and it scrapes, and that's that job finished. So the auto washer is massively beneficial because we have 3 different groups of people milking every day. So when they hit the hot wash button, it's the same every time. After having a Dairymaster, I didn't price anything else because we don't own a kick bar. We don't have cows that we need to cull because the cluster's falling off. The ease of the man talking to you with the voice control is unbelievable. So anybody can walk in here and milk. If there's a cow to go on the diversion line, or if there's a cow with 3 teats, they know which teat to put the dummy in or which cow to put on the diversion line. The service that we get from our dealer is top class. Thankfully, we haven't had any breakdowns. I am very keen on servicing when it needs serviced so that we don't have the in-between calls. If I was describing the new parlour in 2 words, I'll describe it in 3 words. Best money I've spent. Is that 4 words?